This is Dr. Feba, Product Manager from Bifa Head Office. Today I want to introduce you one of our miraculous products named Bladindraksha. Bladindraksha is a popular energy tonic known for general wellness. It is the first patent product of Bifa, a unique recipe trusted for the past 90 years. Bladindraksha is so popular among Kerala that once in a while all the homes in Kerala consume Bladindraksha, and we have changed the name of our company to Bladindraksha Laboratories because of its popularity. The uniqueness of Bladindraksha is it is ideal for all the age groups. It is good for children, youngsters, old age, and even it is good for athletes and pregnant ladies. You can give Bladindraksha for pregnant ladies after the first 3 months. The main uses of Bladindraksha is it supports all the systems in the human body, and start with first one with the circulatory system. Regarding circulatory system, Bladindraksha improves the immune system, it strengthens the immune system, it increases the blood hemoglobin count. Third one is it purifies the blood. Second one is regarding the respiratory system. It strengthens the respiratory system, even it is very good for the allergy and the respiratory ailments. Third thing is the digestive system. Regarding digestive system, it cures tastelessness, it improves appetite, and it eases the bowel movement. It is a non-constipating drink. Fourth is the reproductive system. It is a very good rejuvenative and aphrodisiac. It cools the body. Regarding the skin health, it is very good for skin health. Since it purifies the blood, it helps you to have a very smooth and glowing skin texture. Finally, one more thing is, it is a very rich source of vitamin B12, which is found only in the non-veg foods. So this is an ideal energy drink for the vegetarians also. And the specialities of this Bifa's Bladindraksha is there is no preservatives, no synthetic colors, no synthetic fragrances are added to this drink, and even it has a taste of a wine, which makes the drink easily acceptable. Coming to the dosage of the Bladindraksha, for adults, 30 ml before food as the perfect one, once daily. And for children, this 15 ml before food every morning will be the preferable time. And coming to the ingredient session, Bladindraksha contains 43 ingredients, which are the essential nutrients. And the important ones are dried grapes, gooseberry, spices, and dates. So try this miraculous drug. Start your day with Bladindraksha. Stay active and healthy the whole day. And you can buy this product from all Bifa retail stores, and even this is available in the online websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and Shopify. You can directly purchase this product from our website named www.bifaayurveda.com. For any other inquiries about the product, please write to us at info@bifa.com. Stay active and healthy. Thank you.